Double Diamonds Agency and Associates present a neighborhood summer car wash and cookout fundraiser block party. The event will be held on
First 23 cents at Firestone. I don't care, located on Westmoreland, Camp Wisdom next to Redbird Mall. The time is from 12 noon to 5 a.m. Calling all talents that are dancers, singers, youth, rappers, musicians, comedians, and bands for the live family talent showcase. Double Dime is also looking for 20 vendors, so 20 volunteers. The vendor spot starts at $50 for clothes and jewelry, service products, concession food, and food trucks and trailers are welcome. Deadline to sign up, July 25th, 7 p.m. Don't miss this exciting community event.